Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to dye my extensions. The reason why I'm dyeing my extensions is obviously my hair is not this color anymore. Used to be, isn't that crazy? This is all my natural color basically to here, and then the rest is like fried that needs to grow out. But we're gonna use this Cara color conditioner in mocha. I'm sure this video is gonna be like 2 seconds long because I'm only doing this amount of hair because I only use this for volume. So it's like the same length as my hair. Oh my God, I'm hot. But I'm doing it for volume. As you can see, the mess behind me, that is my house, you know? Wow. Okay, well, obviously, you know, I'm not very housewifey, you know? Gonna go saturate this hair with water. It says to water it first. So I put my hair back because, and I pierced my own ears. You guys, I should have done a video on that. If I pierce any more of my ear, I'll do a video. Anyways, got them wet. I'm a little nervous because this weft is clear and I don't think it's gonna dye that wet, like the sealed weft. So it's gonna be blonde right there. So let's hope it dyes it. Okay, I have a piece of wax paper. You're not gonna be able to see my face. Okay, this is my cum rag. This is my rag, so, you know, I'll sit down. I'm gonna sit down and do this with you guys. Look at that. I need to get the mess out of the background. So I put a towel I don't care about here. I have my gloves on because I don't want to stain my fingers. I just did my nails. And then I wet my hair. It says to wet it. Now we're just gonna apply with the comb. I'm gonna do it really thick and like goopy, not goopy, but like, you know, really thick at the top. And at the ends, I'm gonna put some, I wanna put some conditioner at the ends because I have more blonde at my ends, so I want it to be less saturated. Let's see. Okay. I'd rather have it less saturated at the ends, you know? Okay. Got all, now that's out of the way. I have Chuck's old shirt on because I don't trust myself with dye. Plus, I'm in my new house and I don't trust myself. I feel like my mom would really like this. If this comes out good, yeah. Okay, I can see already that it's gonna be really, it might just be my hair color. Because look, I shouldn't have done conditioner on the ends. Because this is so blonde, I'm thinking I'm gonna have to do this more than once. Unless it deposits. I don't think it has a depositing agent in here. Can you see what I'm doing? Like, I don't know if it has a developer in this. It doesn't smell like it does, so. Okay. I have a feeling it's just gonna turn these gray. I'm gonna have to do this more than once. I'll leave it on for 20 minutes though. I shouldn't have freaking done the ends like that. Right, I'm gonna have to use a lot. It's like turning them green, you guys. See that? Okay. It looks like it's turning, so we'll see in 20 minutes. Okay, so I washed them and blow dried them, and they're pretty close to my natural color. Pretty close. I'm gonna go and style these and put them in my hair, and if I don't like them, they came out super spotty. So, you know what? I'm gonna put this in my hair and see if I like them, because obviously I have a lot of hair now, like it's long, so this is just gonna fill in for volume. So I'm gonna see how it looks in my hair, but look how spotty it came out. Incredible. It's still a little wet, so maybe that's why it looks so much spotty. No, it's just spotty. Anyways, I am going to put these in and style them and see how they look, and I'll come back. Here I am. The mess is still here. I have it in my hair. It looks like it matches like completely. like it looks like it matches, but I feel like I want to dye it one more time because it's spotty, and then the ends, I shouldn't have put conditioner on them. You live and you learn. They look a little green. So we are going to dye them again. Hopefully I won't regret it. I mean, I can always use dish soap to try to get it out because it is like a, you know what I mean? But I don't know, I just feel like they need to be dyed again. I'm not gonna leave it on as long because I don't want, necessarily, I don't want them as, like, I don't want them dark, but I want them to be more even. Okay, I wanted to show you guys before I style them. They got pretty dark. So they're pretty dark. I'm gonna style them. They're a little wet still, but I'm gonna style them and put them in my hair. I have a feeling they might be too dark for my hair. I should have let them only go for 10 minutes instead of 20, but they're pretty dark. Okay, so they're right here. My natural color is right here. As you can tell, it's a lot blonder at the end, but I had to really wash those out with dish soap, so a lot of the color would come out because it was super rich brown. As you can tell, I kind of look a little bro-ho, desert girl 2006, shovel nails, you know, the whole 9 yards. It's okay. I would like for them to be way lighter at the ends like this. Maybe my hair girl will do it next time I go to the salon, but I don't blame her if she doesn't want to, because that washout color is incredible. But yeah, that is it. It doesn't look terrible, but also it doesn't look the best. So that's it. I do like the washout color. This one really washes out pretty purple and grayish. My daughter's here, by the way. This one, you taking off your Crocs? Yeah, just chillaxing. It does wash out pretty purple and gray, but that's it. I don't really like it that much. I wish I could put highlights in it, but I don't trust myself doing that. I probably won't wear these, but yeah, that's it. I wish I would have left them, I wish I would have ombre'd them like, to blonde, you know? See how purple that looks? It looks so purple to me. This is my natural hair color. It's not that bad. Okay, I wanted to get on here before I left because it's a week later. And okay, as you guys saw, those extensions did not match my hair. I kind of look like a broho. If you don't know what that means, go ahead and Urban Dictionary it. But back in 2006, what girls would do is like they would bleach the top layer and then the bottom layer would be like black or really dark brown. We called those brohos in San Diego because, anyways, just Google it. Anyways, look, they turned freaking purple. Purple. I tried to lighten them with using dish soap and like cleaning them and like lightening them basically just to kind of get the dye, most of the dye out. And obviously that's nowhere near my color of hair and I totally failed at that. So, I mean, these were $50, just like one weft. So yeah, it's kind of money down the drain, but I'm not gonna wear those. It totally ruined it. I'm actually going to return that dye from Ulta. It's like a shampoo dye. But I wanted to update you guys on how that washed. So gross, so bad. And get it professionally done, you know? Trying anything yourself doesn't really work out sometimes. And if it does, you're lucky. But that is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you think it's funny that I ruined my hair, go ahead and comment. Actually, comment either way. I'll see you guys later.